like I said. I do. I want to speak to the supervisor because she didn't put him in cuffs until I said that you've been going viral on Facebook for messing with people. And then she walked up. He was already right here on the sidewalk. He was walking. I was pushing him to the house. He was walking up to the house. And she ran up here and said, no, he's not going to the house. And since I'm going viral on Facebook, I'm finna lock him up. I'm finna write him a ticket. Ain't that what you said?
100%.
Okay, so, but before you found that.
On the ground.
But before you found that, though. But you said you writing him a ticket. I did not. How that hurt your feelings? Because I said.
You don't know me.
So because I said she been going viral on Facebook, that means you could just arrest somebody?
No, because I had problems.
Are you the supervisor? You're the supervisor. So I'm telling you right now. So like I said, when I came outside, she was asking my neighbor, is he out here bothering you? The neighbor said no.
What was he doing?
He got ready to walk off. I came outside. I'm like, aside. Come outside. Come on. I didn't see him standing in the middle of the street. So I can't tell you he was standing in the middle of the street. I was sitting on the couch. You do it looked like his windows right. We could just see what's going. No, they told my mama said my little brother came in. He said the police are outside messing with the side. So I came outside. I saw it was her. I said, let me go out there. I said, she know my people. She went to school with my cousins and them. She know my last name is Finney. Like, so I came outside. She said that she wasn't finna arrest him. She wasn't writing him a ticket. So I said, all right, Asad, he wanted to talk to her. He stayed talking. I'm like, no, Asad, don't speak to her. Just go in the house. She's already been known. She's been viral on Facebook twice for messing with people. As soon as I said that, she ran up on it. So since I've been viral on Facebook, now I'm finna give him a ticket. Now I'm good. So like how what me saying you viral that hurt your feelings, so now you gotta, but you wasn't finna arrest him or put him in cuffs at first?
I had probable cause.
No. That's my stepdad. He's here babysitting my kids.
Right. And so he admitted himself that he was walking. He was also rolling up marijuana, which is illegal.
I never. No, what I'm saying is, okay, we was past that.
Sure, I understand.
We was all the way past that.
So
she was finna let him go.
You believe it's tit for tat?
She was finna let him go until I said. I said sorry. I was pushing.
But you do.
We was literally right here.
But do you understand that it's her discretion to either?
But I'm saying I didn't think that was gonna hurt her feelings. I wasn't even talking to her. It ain't like I was talking to her. I was pushing him. We was all the way. We made it all the way right here. I was pushing him like this. I said, so I go in the house. She's already been viral on Facebook twice. No, I did not. How did we get from your car to here?
I told him to stop, and you told him to go in the house.
So I
gave him a lawful order. You just said you pushed him over there.
You said let him, you said, so he lived here? I said, yeah.
I never asked you if he lived here. You stated that he lived here. And when you made the comment, I said, you're escalating it, so let me do my job then. And I said, stop. You tried to let him go in the house.
You told me to stop after I made the comment about you going viral.
Exactly.
So listen, like she said, after I made like I said, we walked all the way from right here, from her car, all the way to here. She was letting her go. She was letting him go in the house. I'm pushing, and when I made it here, and I said she's already known for going viral on Facebook. She turned around from was getting out of her car. She turned around and said, now I'm finna. I said you turned around from getting in your car.
I never opened the door.
You was finna get in your. Okay, it's all on her. It's all on her camera.
Correct.
And as soon as I said that, she walked all the way from her car. And was like, now I'm finna arrest him. Now I'm finna give him a ticket. I said, you finna arrest him for something I said? She said, yes. Didn't you?
I said, you escalated the situation, so now I'm going to do my job, is what I said.
No, I said, okay. So you're finna arrest him for something I said?
Exactly.
She said, yes.
You escalated the situation.
How you arresting him?
So this right here is the issue. Marijuana is still illegal.
Oh,
so
I get that.
It's her own discretion to either take him to jail or let him
go.
go.
But she didn't have that before she let him walk away.
He admitted on
after
body
you searched him.
Man, but he admitted.
After he
put
go record over there on the ground.
You just said that you was arresting him because of what I said. Okay. Ain't that what you said? That ain't what you said?
Man, he admitted already on camera.
Oh, that's fine. But I'm saying
he had illegal drugs in his possession that he also threw on the ground.
That I also didn't go in his pocket.
Children right here that can actually go in the street.
I know kids.
Well, that's the child right there.
My kid don't go on the street.
His kids over there.
It's kids all around.
They don't. I'm pretty sure they shouldn't be in the street either.
That's illegal.
Okay, but what I'm saying is,
I understand what you're saying. That's tit for tat. That's the way.
So tit for tat. That's how the police work.
It's her discretion.
Okay.
Because she
I see why she keep going viral.
She could have taken jail right away.
I get it. I get it. I see why. I see why it's tit for tat. I see. I get it. I see why she keep going viral. She the same one just doing the jerk on Facebook viral, doing the goofy ass shit. All right.
Have a better day.
All right, and we're gonna make sure we report Miss Ferguson.
Just make sure you don't get in my face.
We go. Why would I get in your face? You threatening me?
I'm taking you to jail.
Are you threatening me? Taking them for jail for what?
Possession of marijuana.
Not even the whole 2 grams.
Hey, put him in the car. Okay, he transported?
That's okay. We be good to get them tonight. We be good. Actually, can we come get them from Gary?
You sure can?
Yes.
Okay. How much the bond?
500.
Is it 250 or 500?
500, man.
The sergeant saying 250, saying 500. How much is it?
500.
Oh, what he said?
500.
Okay. We'll be on our way.
Okay.
We'll meet y'all there.
After being reminded that she had previously gone viral for the way she treated a citizen, Officer Frierson immediately changed course. She turned around, announced that she was going to make an arrest, and proceeded to issue a citation. Although she later pointed to the discovery of less than 2 grams of marijuana as the legal basis for her actions, the sequence of events has led many to question whether the arrest was driven by an objective legal assessment or by her reaction to the criticism. Police discretion does not give officers the authority to use that discretion to retaliate against a citizen's protected speech. If you believe Officer Frierson was enforcing the law based on personal emotions rather than objective judgment, leave a 5 in the comments below.
Parking lot, we were customers of Walmart, and here we are. Well, these 2 officers, they'd like to ask us for our IDs and ask us who we are because we're public people in a public parking lot. Can I help you? Can I help you guys?
Yeah, you were called in about harassing and intimidating employees of Walmart. So
Oh, that's a lie. Now you're fabricating stuff. This guy's fabricating. Yes, he's fabricating stuff, sir. Yes,
no,
you are.
I'm not fabricating stuff. That's what we were
Who did we harass?
told.
Who did we harass? Can we talk? Can we find out who that was we harassed?
Yeah, there's 2 different stories going on now.
Okay, where's the other white male that was in the driver's seat that had a white shirt and blue jeans on?
There's none.
Nobody.
Was it just, it might have been your gray shorts I saw. Okay.
Okay, I'll bet you $1,000. We walk in the store right now, and the lady, when me and her walked in there, we went straight to the tobacco counter and got a pack of cigarettes and came back out. And nobody in there will say that I threatened and intimidated anybody.
Donate to school.
They said that you were threatening people out in the parking lot.
No, they weren't talking about me, sir. I promise you that. You guys might be a little bit late, but they weren't talking about me.
No,
He was
we're
just
late,
picking
sir.
up
This
trash
is
out
a
of the
van
parking lot
that
a
they
minute ago and talking to
identified.
an employee.
Okay,
This is
they even identified it by the color.
Well, guess what? There's more than one white blue van.
Not at the time the call came in, sir.
They also identified that you did not have a license plate. So.
Oh my God. Who is that? Did I identify that?
That what? Someone that worked at Walmart that called.
Someone? One of your 2 officers over here earlier, sitting in the parking lot just a minute ago? The ones that were sitting a minute ago, they had no plate on the car. And now somebody called in and said that?
What's going on?
You guys are being real fugazi right now.
Really?
Really?
Okay.
Yeah. So what law are we suspected of breaking?
I just told you that
okay.
you got called over here to check. Nobody said you're breaking a law. We
Okay, so why? Okay, why you guys? Why are you detaining me?
We're asking you a question right now.
Right now, I'm intimidated because you guys got guns and you're standing by my car real close and
We
you're
got guns and you're intimidated. The guns are in our holsters.
Hey, that's all right. Let me get a gun and carry around and keep it on my side and just walk around anywhere.
You have that right.
Absolutely, have the right to do that.
Okay, I know I do. And First Amendment and Second Amendment and all.
No, it's not the First Amendment.
No, I know all my amendments, man. Trust me. I'm very well versed in law.
Okay, so is there a reason why you're driving the van without a license plate on?
Did you see the van driving? We're in the parking lot, bro. What is wrong with you?
Here's the deal.
What law we break? Why are you around my car asking me questions? No more questions.
You got called here.
Okay,
because you were intimidating and harassing employees of Walmart.
That's a lie.
By what?
Okay.
Picking up trash?
That's a lie. I picked up trash out of the parking lot and put it in the dumpster.
Okay.
Hey, no good deed will go unpunished. You see that right there? That's how that goes. What? Oh, that was too much. You can't just do good stuff without somebody doing bad stuff.
I'm sure Walmart appreciates that you were picking up the.
I'm sure they do. I'm sure none of their employees would say what you guys are saying right now too. I bet you $100,000 on that. How about I bet you your job on that?
That's okay.
Good.
That's
Call your supervisor, please.
He's tied up on another call.
That's right.
Now.
Call your supervisor, please. I don't want to talk to you. No, I will not want to talk to you. Will not talk to you. I'm going to exercise my Fifth Amendment right by not answering more questions. So if you call your supervisor, that'd be great. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Run the van on this.
Vin's running. It's right there. You can't find it. Oh, it's not there. Oh, suspect. Suspect at large. You guys about to get an education. Hang tight. You're not a bad guy. You ain't doing too much. These guys right here, Don't do what they're doing. That's a bad way to do things. This guy right here ain't been too crazy, but that guy right there, don't listen to that guy. If he's your supervisor, he needs to be fired. Straight up. He's breaking the law right now. He's harassing me in a parking lot, public parking lot.
Walmart.
I am the public. You guys are public servants. We pay taxes. You guys work for us. That's the law, bro. I know you feel mad about it, like you want to kill me. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry you feel that way. Maybe you shouldn't have chose that line of profession. You know what I mean? Maybe you shouldn't have chose, to be a profession as a police officer. But once you took an oath to protect and serve the Constitution, then you took an oath to, protect and serve the people who pay you, which is us, which means I'm your boss.
Yeah. I'm just drinking coffee. Please don't.
This is ridiculous, man. Hey, man, you have a smoke. Shit. These guys are crazy. Hey, you think it's... Hey, I know my rights, brother. Yeah, I know my rights. I'm sorry, and I hope your supervisor gets out soon. The car wasn't running. We're in a public parking lot, and when did you guys see us drive anywhere?
Well, you moved from over there to over here.
On private property.
But
Right,
you didn't leave the property.
I ain't worried about that, bro. I can't leave the property. I can do whatever I want, bro. I can travel where I want to, unmolested by any second domination by anybody. I have the right to travel. That's my right. I've never had a driver's license. Never had one. I have never entered into a contract.
Kansas, you have to have
I know I don't. And the state of anywhere, bro. The Constitution was wrote before there was any states. So dig that. Oh, you're telling me state law supersedes federal law or whatever? I don't think so. Come on now, let's go back to school on that shit. I ain't been to school. I'm lucky I ain't go to school. I'm not playing.
I love you.
Where are you guys coming from?
None of your business. Okay.
That's fine.
I know it is. Can you step away from my vehicle, please?
No.
So, I'm call the police. Call the police, Bree. Call 911 and tell them we got. No, give me the phone. Give me the phone. I'll call them. I got 3 people out here acting like they're police, and I don't know if they're police or not. They're intimidating me and threatening me.
Identification? I have a...
I don't want nothing from you, bro. I didn't come up to your car asking you for shit. You come up to my car asking me for shit. You guys are the ones doing this, not me.
Hey, just be prepared for a 911 call. They're saying we're harassing.
Oh, wow. Call it in. He's going to call 911. Because you are harassing me, man. You guys are out here harassing me in a public parking lot when I was just a customer. I bought a card and all kinds of stuff. Man, you're really, bro? You think you're going to be able to... Listen, you need an education. You want to really kill me. This dude right here really wants to do something to me. You know what? He ain't going to do nothing to me. You know why? Because he's streaming live right now. You don't even know it. You ain't even know it, did you? Ain't even know it.
Yeah, I saw you pull your phone up.
Yeah, I know, but you streaming live, baby. Get ready. I get paid for this. This is what I do. I do this for a living.
Sweet.
Good. I don't walk around and intimidate people and tell them what to do, either. You know what I mean? And instead of protecting and serving, you harass and collecting. What if somebody's house is getting broken into right now? You with somebody in the parking lot ain't doing nothing to nobody. Make that make sense. That's this shit ain't funny. Y'all shut the here. It's though, man. You guys are violating people's rights. None of your business, man. Okay. What the do you mean? What's your... I'm not a public servant. Where you headed? Where you guys headed?
I don't know. Probably get a drink after this.
Yeah, you probably will need a couple of them. Shit. I mean, what's your ID? Can I see your ID? Maybe I can find out where you live at?
You already said you didn't want to see it.
I don't. I really don't have no interest on it.
I'll show you.
I don't want to see it, bro. Well, I mean, if you want to, I can tell you. I can tell you. My name's Good Citizen.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Officer Herrick.
Good Citizen.
I'm good.
Yeah. Okay.
Your secondary identification.
Badge number.
282.
282. All right. Appreciate you, brother. I mean, I don't have no problems with you guys. I don't have no hard feelings. I ain't doing nothing wrong, man.
No problems with you. I'm just doing my job now.
Whoever,
you understand that?
Yeah, I'm not mad, bro. I'm just saying, a lot of people don't know the rights, but I know mine. Okay. And if there's anybody in Walmart that can say I was harassing them, I will go to jail. How about that? I will. Let's go.
Ain't nobody need to go to jail yet.
I'm just saying. Well, what do you mean? I was harassing somebody in there. Apparently, that's what you guys said. That was all alleged, made up stuff, bro.
They switched up their story. First it was about your car, now it's about Walmart.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, man. Baby, that's called probable cause. They don't have none. Okay? They don't have any probable cause. So here they are just unprobably causing and harassing somebody when somebody's house could be getting broken into right now. Somebody's house could be getting broken into right now.
Hopefully they're calling 911 and we'll go do it.
Oh, yeah, I doubt that. Because you guys will be late because you're messing with somebody in the parking lot. You got 5 cops around here. Is that an unmarked vehicle? Oh, boy. I hate to see one of those.
No, we don't have any unmarked out tonight.
Yeah, okay. That's
Roll at the station.
Yeah. I mean, hey, I don't care what you got going on, but I know what I got going on is you guys not messing with me. I ain't doing nothing to you. I ain't doing nothing to nobody. You guys made some shit up. You alleged some stuff. Hey, I'll go in there with you right now. And you find anybody in Walmart, we're going there hand in hand right now. And if they said anybody, if you can find the person who said that they called and I was harassing them, I would like to talk to them. There is nobody in there. You guys lied on that. Your boss lied. Whoever lied, they lied to you, man. He's setting you guys up right now. Yeah, I promise you, they didn't know what was going on. That's why he's back in the car. Don't know what he's doing, what he's gonna do right now.
No one's back in the car. He went inside.
Oh, he's gonna. Okay. He went inside to find somebody who got harassed. You guys didn't talk the way you recklessly entered, did you?
No, sir.
All right then. We got respect and morals around here, bro. We don't.
At least some people do.
Yeah, I mean, I you know, and I'm not trying to be an asshole, man, but I mean, my rights have been violated a lot of times. I respect
people that know their rights. It's all good. You're not hurting anything of mine.
I mean, I wasn't hurting nobody else, man. I was totally in my own lane. I was picking up garbage out of the parking lot because a guy came out here that works here. He's kind of handicapped, and he came out here to get a wheelchair or a thing or whatever, one of those electric motor things, go back in there. And I was just picking up. There was some stuff that was right by my van, but I parked there, but I didn't know it wasn't my stuff.
I saw you. I was watching the parking lot. They asked us to.
Okay.
To watch the parking lot some nights.
Okay, but you already saw. Well, you know I ain't done nothing wrong then, man. Hell, if you was watching me.
I wasn't watching you the whole time. So.
Well, if you see me do that,
can
I ask? It's not.
What's up, bro?
Here's the story.
Oh man, please don't tell me you got some story that we did something wrong, because that's a lie.
Well,
I'm gonna tell you right now.
Can you just stop for a minute so I can tell you exactly what I found out?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I haven't even accused you of anything now.
You've been out here. Okay.
I told you why we were here.
I understand.
Okay.
I appreciate.
So here's, I guess there was an employee that was walking back in from her vehicle. You guys were parked over there where you were parked at earlier, with the side doors open.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
No, we opened the door and shut it because there was some.
Okay, well, they said the side doors of the van were open. Okay?
Bottom line?
Bear in mind, so they
Bottom line. We didn't do anything wrong.
Can I explain to you what's going on without you interrupting me, please?
Yes, sir, you can. I mean, yes, I was just having a calm time here with my kids, and...
Well, I'm trying to explain to you what was going on, and you keep interrupting me, so I'm asking you questions, and you want to be...
Not answering your questions? Yeah. I don't want to be answering questions.
Well, you don't have to answer, but let me explain to you why we were here.
I know why you're here. Somebody you said called, allegedly.
Exactly. They felt intimidated in light of the situation that's happened today in El Paso and in Mississippi with the shootings.
I don't know what's happened, man. I don't watch TV.
I feel intimidated.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Bree.
What? I'm sorry.
Bro, could you step back with my car a little bit?
Throughout the encounter, the officers never identified any specific, articulable facts that could establish reasonable suspicion under the law to justify restricting the citizens' freedom of movement. They requested identification from the outset, even though the underlying complaint had not yet been verified, making the encounter appear coercive in nature. In the end, the citizen was allowed to leave without any written charges or citations. Does an unverified, non-specific complaint, standing alone, provide law enforcement with the authority to exercise coercive powers over a citizen who is lawfully present in a public place?
Hello. Shoot a shotgun through the door one day.
Yeah.
Hey, sir, this is Deputy Biz. Can I help you?
What do you want?
You called.
I called and said I wanted you guys to stop harassing me and showing up at my house. I don't need anything.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. If you sign a piece of paper that says we will no longer come here for 911 services, I will do that. But you have to sign the paper.
Sign a paper for what?
To take you off the 911 list.
No.
You can no longer call 911, but we won't come here anymore. But you have to sign the paper.
No, I'm going to call 911 if I need it.
Well, if you need it, but not for stuff like this.
I'm not signing your paper.
Okay, so we're going to keep coming here. So you want to...
Okay, I don't need you. I told them I didn't need you.
But why would you call?
I told them why I called.
All right, well, you called. So you want to come sign the paper so we don't have to come back?
No, I'm not signing your paper.
Okay, well, I'll hang out here till you come out.
No, you can leave. I don't need you.
You called. You obviously need us.
No, I do not. I told you guys that.
Oh, so why would you call?
I want you guys to stop harassing me.
We weren't coming here until you called. I'm giving you an easy out. We won't come here anymore if you sign this paper. It's like that simple. It's called.
I don't want to sign the paper, sir.
But if you sign, we won't come here. So you must want to see me. You want me to come here?
No, I don't.
So then sign the paper.
Please leave me alone.
No problem. But sign the paper.
Just leave me alone.
Yeah, but if you sign the paper, I'll never come back here. I promise.
I know, but I don't want you. I don't need that. If I need you, I need to call you.
Yes, but that's a different call. That's saying you need me, but to call us to say you don't need us doesn't make sense. So if we sign the paper, we won't come back.
I'm not signing the paper.
Okay. So can you come out and make sure...
I'm telling you, I don't want to sign the paper. You can't make me sign the paper.
You're right. Can I give you the paper? You can look at it, and then if you want to sign it, you can sign it?
You can leave it at my door. I'll get it when you leave.
No. There's nothing to be scared of. It's just a man talking to a man. Just take the paper and that's it.
I'll grab the paper.
Thank you.
I don't want the paper. I don't need it. Please leave me alone.
We want to, but you keep calling us.
Please leave me alone.
Okay, but you call us, so we got to come. But if you sign the paper, we won't come unless you need us. Just leave it for him here. Whatever. If he signs it, great.
Paper.
That's it.
I'm going to put it right here on the seat.
Just scan the QR code, answer the questions, and we don't have to come here for miscued things, you know? All right, so we'll see you later. Thank you.
The citizen simply called to request that the harassment stop, but was instead pressured to sign a document waiving his right to receive future 911 emergency assistance. He refused, citing the Fifth Amendment's protection against self-incrimination and asserting that no document can compel someone to surrender a constitutional right. Because no criminal charges were alleged and no arrest warrant was presented, the deputy's insistence raised legitimate Fourth Amendment questions regarding consent, coercion, and the limits of voluntary cooperation under the implied threat of officers returning.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so what's the probable cause?
The probable cause is that they're asking you to no longer return to the area.
Because I legally bought something at Starbucks and I had to use the bathroom?
May I see? Any business can ask that any person no longer return to the location.
For what? For legally buying something? This is a violation of my civil rights.
All right, anyway.
You're making a false police report, though.
Sir, can I get your identification?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
And what's your badge number, ma'am?
8347.
Yeah. So because I bought something at Starbucks and had to use the bathroom, you're violating my civil rights because I stopped to go use the bathroom and come back.
No, sir. I was trying to explain exactly what happened.
You asked me about a ticket. I don't have a ticket, but I did buy something at Starbucks, which I have legal proof.
But you were at the ATM area as I was.
Because I had to use the bathroom and stop. After I used the bathroom, I walked out. You know you have to play the whole video camera, right? The whole video camera. You have to. You have to legally. I just literally beat the case, bro. I'm fixing to file another lawsuit. You know that, right? I can file a lawsuit and press charges on you. You know this, right? Yes. And your name is Justin, right?
Yes, sir.
Justin from okay. Yep. So I have legal documentation that I bought something from Starbucks, right? Okay. And then I legally went to go use the bathroom. So you're telling me I can't buy something at Starbucks. So you're telling me I can't legally buy something at Starbucks to go use the bathroom, then turn around and walk out the bathroom and stop to literally play some music before I walk out the store. You know this is a violation of my civil rights. You know that, right? This is making a false police report. You know that, right? You asked me, did I buy something? I told you, yes, I did. So now you're making another false police report. Woo, these lawsuits are gonna look great. Ooh, I'm gonna love this. And what's your badge number again, ma'am?
I will. I already told you, my badge number is 8347, Officer Lindell.
Officer Lindell, 8347. Yes, we know. I will see you in court, buddy. And what is today? For the record, what's today?
I think it's 50.
For the record, today it's 3:25, Sunday, May 24th, 2026. So, yeah, I can legally use the bathroom if I legally buy something at Starbucks, which I have Cash App documentation. So just because I went to go use the bathroom, then where you see me at was walking out the bathroom.
That is my boss.
You see me walking out the bathroom, that's not a crime. If you're telling me I can't go use the bathroom when I legally buy something from Starbucks, you know what that's called, right? That's called cruel and unusual punishment, tyranny, oppression. That's a violation of my civil rights. Yes, ma'am.
I need you to tell him that he is criminally trespassed and is not allowed on scene or allowed to return here.
Yes,
because I legally bought something. This is a lawsuit.
Unable to come in this area, you'll be criminally trespassed. So
for buying something at Starbucks to use the bathroom, tyranny, oppression, cruel and unusual punishment, violation of my civil rights.
So I just need you to understand.
Right, I understand.
If you do return
it's a lawsuit.
Here, okay, if you return here, you will be arrested. Okay.
And so you're not going to arrest him for violating my constitutional rights?
And nothing has been violated, sir.
Because I legally bought something. I showed you that it was legally bought something.
And I have explained to you.
So at this point, you're telling me that I can't even use the bathroom for buying something at Starbucks, and this is a violation of my civil rights. What happened to that? You know you took an oath to uphold the U.S. Constitution. You know this, right? So by doing what you're doing is committing a crime in a false police report. Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you.
All right.
So, all right, I will. Am I free to go?
You are free to go.
Thank you. I'm fixing to file these lawsuits. See y'all in court. Oh, y'all better have the cameras, play back the cameras through full entirety now. I'll see y'all in court.
This incident illustrates that a business's decision to refuse service or ban someone from returning is a separate legal matter. However, when that decision is enforced through government authority, it should be carried out transparently and based on a clear legal foundation to ensure that constitutional rights are respected. The officers did not cite any specific law explaining the legal basis for their decision, and initially did not provide complete identifying information when requested, even though the man had demonstrated that he had lawfully purchased an item from Starbucks before using the store's restroom. We created this video for educational purposes, with the goal of helping viewers understand their rights and remain calm, not to encourage confrontation of any kind.
Okay, so, but before you found that.
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Bro, I'm fixing to file another lawsuit. You know that, right?
Last but certainly not least, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who worked for months on these videos to make them possible.